Well, good, wonderful morning, everybody. We're under a tree at the moment, trying to keep the camera getting too wet. And look at the creek. This is the creek that flows past Mum's place. She's flowing. So Mum's place is just there. So it's not the highest I've seen it, but it's flowing pretty well. The road has flooded. There's signs of it flooding. But it's not flooding at the moment. It's close. This road, Mackenzie, floods a lot, and people go up that. There's also Mackenzie, and then take Story Street to get around because it's a bit higher. Yep, we made it home, didn't we? We're all drowned rats. We are. That's what we look like. I'm soaked through. Big boy is soaked through. He's looking for treats though. Pool's nice and full. And I found my froggy last night. There is definitely a frog in here. A big green tree frog. He was happily swimming around and croaking away for most of the night. Wasn't he wealthy? He says, oh, I'm just going to sit down next to Daddy. Daddy's in the, under the umbrella. Not like a little crazy puppy. She's on the hunt. She said that something was up there last night. Something was out the back of the bush. She still says there's something out there. Still hunting for it. Yeah, very wet. So I understand from today, I think the rain is supposed to ease off. Because this has been bad. This has been 4 days worth of rain. So I have to take them out for a walk. Can't be inside all the time. I can keep them at home for 3 days, but 4 days they start getting up to sort of, she starts getting up, particularly gets up to mischief. She says, well, what do you go out, Dad? And then they want their breakfast, so I'll go and get their breakfast.